ahead and pray. Go ahead and pray. You see, I came up here so that I can give us a little direction to what we are doing this evening. Can you put up Mark chapter 5? Let's start from verse 25 so that we can lay a little emphasis. Keep the prayer under your breath. Mark. Now, a certain woman had a flow of blood for 12 years. Next verse. And had suffered many things from many physicians. She had spent all that she had and was no better. But rather, the situation grew. The situation did what? Okay. Next verse. When she heard about Jesus, she came behind him in the crowd and touched him. Now, I want to read that verse 27. Okay, let's go to 28. Now, can we read together? 1, 2, go. For she... Can we read better? 1, 2, go. How many years did the Bible say that this woman have suffered this thing? 12 years. But you see, it got to a point where she, by herself, said that, you see, this thing that is worrying me is not my own anymore. So she said, if only I can touch his clothes. It's not I might be made well. I shall be made well. I don't know. Oh, Jesus. I don't know what has bothered you for long. For this woman is the issue of blood. For you, it can be something different. For you, it can be marriage. For you, it can be money, finance. For you, it can be business. For you, it can be sickness that have plagued your family for long. And because it has stayed for years, you are saying, oh, that's how it is now. Every time, once it gets to this particular time, it usually comes. It usually happens. That's how people have stayed with diseases and problems for long. Why we came here is because there is a healing stream that is made available. This one now is not waiting for somebody to pull you and push you in. It's there. So it will take you to understand that there is something that is available for you this evening. You know what I'm saying? After now, we may not have anybody that will cajole you again. So the meeting will end very fast. In case you are thinking we'll stay here forever, it will end very fast. You will still be trying to do your shabalaba and we have closed. And everything that you want to grab from God, it will pass you by. So in case you don't know why we are here, that's why I'm making this emphasis. Because after this session, I'm not sure anybody is coming to come and start drawing you like generator before you pray or before you worship. Every and any opportunity you get in this meeting, please maximize it. Maximize it. The reason I'm saying what I'm saying, the emphasis is that the woman made up her mind that if are you making up your mind tonight? Some of you have results that you have not seen for years now, and it's not like you are not worried, but you have even given up. Some of you don't even know how you are going to graduate. That one is not even coming to your head. You don't know how. You don't know how you will survive. But he's saying, if only you can touch him tonight. If only you can touch him tonight, your situation can change. That thing that has plagued you for long can change. Oh, Jesus. I don't know why I'm making this emphasis now. We have limited time. So I want to beg you with everything tonight. Please, drop all your steeds. Drop all the knowledge that you have. Drop everything that you think you have acquired. And seek God like a mad person. Dive into this river. As we are climbing, it's moving layer to another layer, from one layer to another. So as we begin to rise, please, I beg you, dive in. There's nobody that is here that will push you in now. Like the man at the pool of Bethesda. There's nobody that will push you in. It is you by yourself that will decide by yourself that today I will touch Jesus. So if you have gotten to that point where you say, Jesus, is either you or you tonight, can you now go ahead? And I don't know what your problem is. It may not be issue of blood. It can be finance. It can be poverty. You just be seeing daily provisions. Meanwhile, that's not the plan of God for you. And you will say, I'm okay. As far as I eat today, it's not fine. Tomorrow it will think of itself. That's not the plan of God for you. I will always tell you, don't believe me. But if you catch what I'm saying, please, can you pray? Can we rise to our feet? Yes. And pray. 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 Oh. Pray. Oh. You know, we have gotten to that point where if somebody is not singing, you are not praying. That thing that is worrying you is not that serious. It's not that serious. It's not that serious. It's not. If it is, you will grab Jesus by his garment tonight. And he's in our midst, though. He's in our midst. If you can hold him, he might even be standing beside you, but you don't know. He might be standing that place that you are standing now. That breeze you are feeling could be him trying to tell you that I'm here. I am here. I am here. I am here. What is that thing that has plagued you for long? What is that thing that has plagued you for long? Are you not seeing that there is nothing impossible? There is nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What I am asking you for tonight is not defined by how I feel. It's not defined by how I feel. Jesus, I hold you with every strength within me. Jesus, I am here before you. I have heard that you heal. I have heard that you raise the dead. I have heard and read that you can change situations. I have heard that you can turn around. I have heard that what is dead can come alive. I have heard. I don't care what your infirmity is. I don't care what your situation is. I don't care. I don't care what the name that the doctors have called it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wait. Sammy, wait. You see, doctors can call it any name, but Jesus calls it infirmities. Doctors can tell you that this one is incurable. Me, I have seen that there is nothing that God cannot heal. I have seen firsthand that there is no pain that Jesus cannot take away. Oh my God. Oh my God. If you can hold him tonight, if you can, I am not telling you what I heard, I'm telling you what my eyes have seen, what my hands have handled. I know that you may be tired, but if you can hold God for this last time, for this only time that we have, we can't have sounds of healing twice, in a day. It's only once. If you can hold Jesus now, if you can hold Jesus now, if you can hold Jesus now, if you can hold Jesus now. Can you find me tonight, oh God? mother that is sick can be healed tonight. That's your father that does not do anything can receive an appointment tonight. That's your family that is not going forward can receive speed tonight. Only if you can jump into this river. Only, oh my God, oh my God. There's healing here tonight, oh. There's healing here tonight. Healing, 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 healing. I assure you, there is healing tonight. There is healing tonight. Oh, I nemo kopa matalia na bakate. Fefe le come kana. Parate kope mele bekoli ene bekoba. Bana kama kona kana. Panes. If you have anywhere that you are feeling pain, whatever it is, just lay your hands there as we raise the next sound. Lay your hands there. Anywhere. Anywhere. Ilana mamona bana kama na no anani la boma na kode lole selile meno mamona veno ago akila gamona gamana lola lole uwe lole meno le lole etiele tue Jesus when you He's about to change somebody's. He's about to take that tumor away. He's about to take that pain away. Oh, some of you are still looking around now. Maybe I'm the one that came to heal. But if you know that it's Jesus, you focus on him. Oh, living waters. Oh, Christ. Wine. Oh Christ, my Savior. If I ever needed, I need. If I ever needed, I need you now. If I short-sightedness is gone. Don't be distracted. Oh my God. If I ever needed you, as it was in those days and even more upon us. In those days and even more, as it was in those days and even more, in the days of Apostle Peter, in the days of Isaiah, in the days of Elijah, upon us, much more, as it was in those days and even more. I came to remind you that we have a shorter time for you to be distracted. We have a limited time for you not to focus fast. Launch me into this river, and don't let me go. Don't let me run out. Don't let me run out, oh. Launch me into this river, oh. And don't let me run out. Don't let me run out. Don't let me run out. Oh, are going on. It doesn't have to be loud. Can you lay your hands there and see what Jesus will do? If it's lack, lay your hands over your head and tell the Lord, I break out, 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 like a bird held in a cage. I have escaped. It's happening. It's happening. It's happening. It's happening. It will literally carry some people. It will carry you. It will carry you. It will carry you.